Hello, today I'm going to show how to create this AI assistant. So first we're going to start with Telegram because that's our interface that we're going to use. We have our AI agent and then we use basic LLM chain to give it personality. So we have access to our contact data. We have the ability to check emails, send or receive email flow. We have a calendar agent, research agent, project, and we also have a knowledge database. Before I start showcasing it, I'm gonna show you what we have, for example, in the email. As you can see, inside of the email too, we have another agent that pretty much has, again, access to OpenAI. It can send and get emails. As you can see, I've done some testing. Let's start, for example, with what is the email address of Beth. I'm gonna go to response. Actually, I made this call me word method on the universe. That's the personalization, the personality, just because it was going to be funny. Let's say we want to send an email to Vas. We're going to just ask it, send an email to him saying that I'm looking forward in Mondays. Seems like it works. Let's go to my inbox and check it. Or it seems like it works. Let's then, for example, book a meeting. Book a meeting with him for next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Go to my email and check it. Invitation for meeting. All right. Okay, let's check my calendar. Okay, so you can see the meeting for 9 a.m. is here. And the email address is correct. Another thing that you can do is, for example, do some research. Let's say I want to know who is the fastest man alive. I will consider to go the response. The fastest man alive usually refers to Usain Bolt. So that sounds correct. Okay, let's ask something else. Maybe who is the president of Zimbabwe? Not sure if I wrote correctly, but still. The president of Zimbabwe is Emerson, with a name that I won't try to pronounce right now. Okay, maybe something more useful. What is the VAT tax in the Netherlands? Okay, seems like it's correct. And the way that this agent works is that, again, we have another agent here who has access to Wikipedia, Hackers News, SERP API, which is pretty much like Google search, and Perplexity AI, that's the other AI too. If the agent cannot find the answer of my questions within those three tools, it's gonna go to Perplexity and it's gonna find the answer there for sure. Finally, I'm gonna show you the knowledge base. If you want more details on exactly how to set it up, you can go to my latest video and you're gonna see it. Here, pretty much, I've added this document to the database, which has some information about services and then also cost and, for example, contact information or how to schedule a call. To test, for example, we can ask, what is the name of the company? The name of the company is DMG. I'm not sure why, but it's just abbreviation, whatever it's called. Technically, it's not wrong, but it's Digital Media Group. So let's ask it, what is the full name of the company? Guess not give the right answer. Let's then ask it, what services do they offer? As you can see, give us some examples of the services, which, if I remember correctly, they're quite correct. Yeah, it give all of them. So let's ask a follow-up question. Give me more information about the SEO. All right, so it gave me the technical SEO and local SEO packages. It gave me the price and pretty much all I need. But let's go a bit deeper. tell me more about the technical SEO. All right, so it gave almost a full overview of what the technical SEO entails. And let's check. Seems quite correct. Okay, so that was the part with texting, but we also have voice capabilities. We can send a voice note to the agent, and then we're gonna also get a response as a voice. So let's check it. Let's ask again. Who is the fastest man alive?
Certainly, my esteemed word master of the universe. Here's a snappier response. As of October 2023, Usain Bolt is widely known as the fastest man alive, holding the 100-meter world record at 9.58 seconds since 2009.
Seems right. Okay, let's ask you something else. Who is the Prime Minister of the Netherlands?
Absolutely, word master of the universe. Here's a more concise response for you.
It's so fucking funny.
The Prime Minister of the Netherlands, as of December 2024, is Dick Schoof.
Dick Schoof. Is it though? Prime Minister. I'm sure it's not Mark Rutte because she's not the Prime Minister anymore. 2024. Okay, Dick Schoof. It's correct. Alright, so that was it. If you want help building something similar, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. If you find it helpful, leave a comment. Also, subscribe. If you want to see something different, let me know. If you want help sending us something similar, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can contact me. And see you in the next one.